Welcome back, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here just to give you a quick mini tutorial of how I installed my clip-ins. You're doing a twist out. So I'm going in on day 10 hair. That is right, day 10. This is an old wash and go. And if my hair is looking shorter than usual, that is because I did my yearly trim and I had my hairdresser cut off about 4 inches. That is correct, about 4 inches. I just wanted a new change, a new shape, health over length, even though I'm always trying to get some length, but I'm feeling good about this cut. For my clip-ins, I am using the CurlsCurls 18-inch curl pattern 3B, 3C, and the texture is Kinky Curly. I have about 10 pieces. Now, if you're wondering where is the package, where's the labeling, all that good old stuff, these clip-ins I've had for over a year and they're still going strong, as you guys will see. I'm used to doing a very defined wet look when I install my clip-ins, and this time I want to switch it up and do something new that anyone can do. So this is pretty much a quick, lazy install, but it comes out bomb. So I want you guys to keep watching and enjoy.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. Missing someone. Missing someone.